Kikir ka mensim ki Kristan bat shlei ki status da ki video bat jingkren jong ke jamima Rodriguez kabalapla bat ai burom ya jisu haka jingjop jong ka pynpaw ba Ardent langba ka jingtho hapo WhatsApp ngin kali yala depat kum ki pat Kristan babon hato ngila penlek no ai neem ya ka kabu ba ngin phla sha ka parthai India langba ki jinglong ki babha ya ka kerteng jong jisu kabala ban penki bat penum sim ya ki pat keri India bu jingkli uba Ardent ka jingjelai jong ka bamsap ka jingkenrei jong udrok ka bat HIV ka jing bamburom ka jing hapdeng paramangi ka jing bon ki khonrei ka jingjot ki longjing longsem kini ki dei ki bangi peni sha ka parthai India kapor kampat dir bangin penbej ya kini ki ai baro penkut katai ka jingtho na iba Ardent.
India to the World Cup final. Jemmy, it's the stuff of dreams. I can imagine there's a lot of emotion in you right now. What are your first thoughts?
Firstly, I want to thank Jesus because I couldn't do this on my own. I know He carried me through today. I want to thank my mom, my dad, my coach.
You keep talking to yourself, you almost motivate yourself. There's a lot of messages to the crowd as well. Just take me through what you keep telling yourself through and things like that.
Yeah, I think initially I was just playing, I just keep talking to myself. But towards the end, I was just quoting one scripture from the Bible because I had lost energy. I was very tired. I was drained. But one scripture that says, just stand still and God will fight for you. And that's what I did. I just stood there and He fought for me.